Hi everybody, welcome to the Kizrin Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about React forms, portals, suspense, and styling. So let's proceed. So in this first one, we have React forms. In this first video, we have React forms, which says for checkboxes, use the checked attribute instead of value to control its state. We will use the use states to manage the value of the text area as well. So we also have it which says in the undo change function, use the e.target.type property to check if the current input is a checkbox or not. So we have an example which says React uses the checked attribute to control the checkbox. Let's go to our example. So in this place, we'll say function checkbox which is const input const inputs, comma, set inputs equals to use state, and inside the use state we'll have an object. Then we'll see another one which is const undo change change equals to we'll have our event e, which is so inside this event we'll have another one which says const target equals to e.target, and we would have another one, close this, we would have another one, which one is const value equals to target dot type is equals to, in this place we are trying to check something here. We are using ternary operator, which is if we have a checkbox here, if we have a checkbox in this state, do target checked ECKD. Target checked, else you return target dot value. So that's that for that. Then we're going to do another one, which is const name equals to target dot name. Then, oh, I made a mistake here. Target dot name. Thought I would say set. This our set input. We'll put it inside. Say values equals to values. We're having an arrow function. Throw out everything inside the values, and you pick out name, and you pick out name. Then after the name equals to values. I hope you understand. Then after this const, we would have another one which is const undo submit equals to event equals to test. Then we'll say let's fillings equals to we're going to have an empty string here. So we'll do if else again. If input dot tomato equals to fillings tomato, we have tomato. Then we'll close it like this. Then in the next one, say if input dot onions, then you give us this, which will be if inside it we'll have another if again. If input dot tomato, then you fill fillings plus equals to and then fillings plus equals to onions. I hope you got that. So that's that for that. Then in this aspect again, we'll come here again. We'd have another if statement again. If filling equals to empty string, we'll say fillings equals to no fillings. Yeah, that's all. So we'll create an alert. We would have an alert. Then inside this alert, we would have a template string, which will say input dot first name wants a burger with filling. Hope you got that. Then after that, we would have a prevent default, which is event dot prevent default. Yes. So then that's for the second aspect. So we'd have a return value. Return this to say we'd have a form inside this form inside this form we would have we'll call our unchanged value and the rest of them. Our unsubmit, I mean submit will be undo submit. We'll be having a label. Inside this label, we'll say my name first to input. Then in this input, we would say input type text, name will be first name, then our value will be input dot first name. They will also have the unchanged value. Change, which will be undo change. Then after this label, we would have a p tag. Which says I want a burger with. We'll still have another label again. Inside this label, we would have another input. Then inside this input, we would have another name, input type text, but it will be checkbox. Then we would have name as tomato, then tomato will be input dot tomato. Would have our unchanged as well. Which will be undo change, and this person will say tomato. Then for the third aspect, we would have another label again. So we're having like 3 labels. Then inside this part, we would have another label. Inside this label, we would have our input. We are checking 2 boxes. So we are checking if it's a burger you want, if it's a tomato you want, or you want an onion. So inside this space, it will still be checkbox. Then the name will be onions. The value will be input dot onions. Then our unchanged will be undo dot change. Then we'll have onions here. Yeah. Then as well, after this label, we would have a button, which will be type submit. And in this place, we will have submit. Now let's export our results. In this place, we'll import checkbox. Now let's check here. Checkbox. Now let's check our result. So if we go here now and check it out, you have to input your name first. It's just like you want to place on that. So Bukola wants, if it's tomato you want your burger with tomato. You can say Bukola wants a burger with tomato. And if as well it's just onions you want, you click on it and say Bukola wants a burger with onions. And if as well you want both of them, Bukola wants a burger with tomato and onions. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to follow us across all socials at Techisrain Academy. See you next time. Bye.